In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage site permissions on Google Sites fast and easy. Managing permissions on a site is crucial, especially if you are collaborating with a team or need to restrict access to certain groups. We'll walk through each step to ensure you understand how to efficiently control who can do what on your site. Firstly, let's get started by opening your web browser. You're going to search for Google Sites in the search bar and hit Enter. Google Sites is a fantastic tool for creating simple websites, whether for personal projects or professional needs. Once you're on the search results page, go ahead and click on the Google Sites link. This will take you directly to the Google Sites interface where you can see all the sites you've previously created or have access to. Now, once you're on the Google Sites dashboard, you'll need to select the site that you want to manage. Browse through your list, and when you've found it, click on it to open. This is the site where you'll be setting up or changing permissions. Entering the site brings you back to the editing page you're familiar with, loaded with all the tools you've used to craft your site. Next up, look for the Share with Others button. This is your gateway to managing site permissions. Click on it, and a window will pop up that shows you the current sharing settings and options for adding people. In this window, there's a field where you can add the email addresses of the people you'd like to grant access to. It's as simple as typing them in. At this point, it's important to decide who can edit your site. You'll notice two key roles you can assign to people: viewer and editor. A viewer can only see the draft and cannot make changes to the site, which is perfect for stakeholders or team members who only need to review the site. An editor, on the other hand, has the ability to modify content on the site, making this role ideal for team members collaborating on site creation. After you've added the necessary people and designated their roles, take a moment to review your setup, ensuring accuracy and security. Happy with everything? Great! It's time to finalize your settings by clicking on the Publish button. This step ensures that any changes you make to permissions and site content are available to the designated users. There you have it. You've learned how to manage permissions on your Google Sites quickly and easily. It's a straightforward process that significantly enhances your site's functionality and security. Be sure to revisit your permissions periodically, especially if you're adding new content or team members. Thanks for joining me today, and happy website managing.